YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday weekend. Everybody is safe. I don't even know what day it is right now. It feels like it's Monday, but it's Tuesday, so. But anyway, here we go, guys. We are in prime time now. Holiday season has begun. Get ahead early. Ask Santa for one of these. All you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link down below. If it's Amazon, I'll leave that link. And if it's a website, I'll leave theirs. So either or, they are safe links to click. And now we have here, and also see what other goodies they have to offer. You never know. Oh boy, here we go. What is this? Whoa. Oh man, it's heavy. Hold on. Whoa. Now this is pretty cool. Something new. We got the EUFY security wire-free security camera with 4K Ultra HD and solar power. Bionic Mind. Look at that. Dang, these are nice. Really nice. Here we go. Gotta get it from somewhere. Not sure if it's Anchor or, but it'll be corrected in the description. So all you gotta do is click that links and check them out. So either or. Here we go. No monthly free. Oh, sweet. Definitely curious how these look. How do I open these? Hold on. Alright guys, we got it open. Let's see, you get a home base, 2 cameras, network cable, a 12-volt power adapter, USB cable, screw mounting, screws, screw positioning, stickers, welcome card, metal pin for reset. So you get everything in this box. Whoa. Really cool presentation. Look at this little guy. I might have to keep these now and switch out my other ones. I could get this. Man. Some kind of filter. Whoa. Hard drive slot. All you gotta do is pull. Okay, I gotta unscrew that. Then you pull this up, and that's where the hard drive you could put. Here's all the good stuff in the back. Definitely hook this up today. Here's the camera. Really nice. Solar. Now this is cool. You don't have to worry about an extender. It's right on the camera. This is definitely nice. There's a mounting power button. This must be charging cameras. Same thing as the other one. Really nice. Bottom, side. 4K, baby. Alright, now let's see what's else. The welcome kit. Here's all the good stuff. There we go. Put that way. Whoa. Okay, we got everything in here. Power. Ethernet cable. Mounting brackets. Mounting brackets. Yeah, these are nice. I just gotta figure out. There's a reset key. So you're gonna need that. screws for mounting. You get 2 packs. And then you get another USB right there. So these are good to go. Rock and roll. We got that out of the way. I'm really impressed with the packaging. Really nice. Definitely a good company when they care about their product and they ship it like this. This is nice. A little sticker. You get the mounting bracket positioning. The screws, 1, 2, and that's for the hard drive. Power. Cable. These guys. Reset key. And cameras. Alright guys, next part. We're going to hook this all up. So this might be a long video. Grab some popcorn. But this thing looks sweet. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Everything's all hooked up. I have the home base all set up. I'll show you where it's at. Really simple to use. Guys, this thing is amazing. Really sweet camera. They got good deals going on right now on Amazon. My affiliate link will be down below. Let me show you. Alright, there it is. Got it plugged in. I just got to rearrange it. Like I said, I got to figure out where I'm going to install these cameras. And then pretty much everything's set up right now though. Here's one how it looks like with the mounting. Easy to do. Got the swivel. And you can adjust it or have it this way. Really nice lens. Super lightweight, 4K. Amazing stuff, guys. And here's the second one. Got the nice solar panels right there. Here's a reset and SD card or a USB to charge them. If I were you, I would charge it 8 hours first time you get them. Plug them in, connect them together, because you're gonna need them. I mean, the sun will charge it, but just to make sure before you install them, charge them. So they said about 8 hours, it'll be good to go. And then once it's done charging, install it, and then let the sun do its magic. So app time. So once you download the app, it's gonna look like this one right down here. EUFY security. Whoops. Cancel. Yes. And then it's gonna look something like this. Got the side door. I mean, this thing is sweet, guys. 4K. Got it. You can do it long ways or landscape. I just gotta figure out where's the rotation. Auto on. There we go. Anytime zoom. Move it a little bit up. What else can I do? Oh shoot. There we go. There's the mic right there. Hello, hello. Whoa. See, now that sounds good. Alright. Alarm. Camera sound only. Spotlight. And you can have it to the home base also. Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna show up side door. Oh my god. Alright. Wow. So that's what the spotlight's for. So that's really cool. Now I show that in action. We are good to go. You can record. Whoop. Arr. Saw me. And then also this one. That's this one right here. Look how clear that is. Amazing stuff, guys. Like I said, check them out. You get the USB, you get the home base, you get 2 mounts, you get some 2 screw packs. Right there. Right there. You get the reset key. And you get some stickers, I think. Put that on your door or your window in your front of your house. And then you get the manual. Like I said, easy to set up. It took me a few minutes. Connected right away to my router and everything went good. So next stop is for me trying to figure out where to put these. So, but right now everything works great. You saw it. Get them now before they sell out. They got sales going on. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.